It's been a week, but it feels so much longer. And knowing that you're not alone makes it harder. They say to wait as long as it takes, but you didn't wait. You're over there posting pictures beside her, and I'm still here learning how to live without you. It's not that easy, it's hard to believe that you're over me. Tell me, is it real love? Or is she just a shortcut? Was being alone too much, that you had to find a shortcut, a shortcut? I've tried everything, but there's no way around it, except for just one, but it seems like you found it. You moved on too fast without looking back, but I'm better than that. Tell me, is it real love? Or is she just a shortcut? Was being alone too much, that you had to find a shortcut, a shortcut? You moved on too fast. No, but I'm better than that. Tell me, is it real love? Or is she just a shortcut? It's being alone too much, that you had to find a to find a shortcut, a shortcut.
Sometimes I want to pack up all my things and move away. Paris, London, maybe even LA. But it's not far.